My star.
Bitch, I'm still going. I don't even know which way to go, but I'm still going. So much BS in my brain, but I'm still knowing. Took off the watch, put down the chain, but I'm still glowing. I almost broke a sweat. I was in the car and I seen that shit on the net, I almost read. I put my heart inside this shit, now this the things I get. This shit got hard, but I go through it, that's the price of respect. I lost love, I lost friends, I lost fans, I lost money, I lost faith, I lost hope. I found them both who right back jumping, yeah. I just turn the rivals, feel like I got in this game for nothing. When they go to busting them use, a nigga can't hop in this lane for nothing. It won't be the same for nothing. I hit, I listen to some of them niggas, I fucked up my name for nothing. I thought a nigga was smarter than me, I fucked up my name for nothing. Fuck up my name for nothing. Who you blame for that? Shit, I ain't blaming that. What's happening? Okay.